Student, welcome back to classes, online classes. Before starting first chapter of class 11 physical education, that is changing trends and career in physical education. First, I would like to appreciate you and hope in these days you had done your physical activities, exercise, and boost your immunity power and played different games. And congratulations to all that you are in class 11 now. Before starting, I want to share you about class 11 physical education. In this book, we are going to read the different aspects of physical education and different things about physical education. Physical education is divided into two parts. First is theory and second is practical. Theory minimum marks 70 and practical is 30. Theory, whatever you will learn from the book, you will have exams, and from minimum marks 70 you will be judged by that. And in practical you will be having different specific practical tests that is related to your field and games, sports, your skill, your stamina and your endurance. So I had told you physical is divided into two groups. First is theory and second is practical. And practicals are very important. You have to take part in practical. Whatever you get in practical will be compared to your theory. So it is very important to take interest in practical classes also. We have following chapters that are divided into following headings, and today I am going to teach you the first chapter of class 11 physical education, that is changing trends and career in physical education. You know the meaning of changing trends. As you can remember, the past few days you had gone through many things, social, emotional and physical, and hope you all had learned many things that is directly related to your physical education, and you will read and learn also. In this chapter, what you had gone through, you will come to know how it affects our body, our society, and even different friends, even your mother and father, how you affect them. If you have your good personality or good physical attitude, you will be praised and you will be welcomed by the all. In changing trends, now the physical education is changing rapidly as the time is moving fast. In this chapter we are going to study about learning objectives. What are learning objectives? Meaning and definition of physical education. We have to understand the meaning and definition of physical education. Meaning is, what is physical education? Physical education is not what we are learning nowadays. If we go in a history, we will find the different ways of physical activities, how it has been used by different ways by the different rulers, different kings, or different society in our history. It meaning was different to different people, from one country to another, from one people to another. In the beginning, physical education was used in a turn of only physical activities. You know the physical activities, and one of the best example is that you are playing any game is a physical activity. Working in a field is a physical activity. Joining an army in an ancient time is a physical activity. But the main stress on physical education was laid down in ancient Greek. I would like to share you about a background of an Greek or ancient Greek. We all know the sports and games are directly related to the ancient Greek. Why they make all their society or the people physically fit? Because all the young people are forced, or they had made compulsory to join an army. If they are physically fit, they will serve the nation best. Philosophers like Socrates, Aristotle, and Plato were of the opinion that physical training must be important for or necessary for every youth. What they believe that every youth should be, or it should be made compulsory. In a simple language I am telling you, for that they should have a physical activity. But if we come to our country India, in our country also, in history we can see the different games and sports, and one of the important and oldest games or physical activity is horse riding and archery. Nowadays you are also having archery and horse riding. Some was of the view that physical education is whatever physical educator do, but we misunderstood the meaning of physical education. We think if a physical education teacher is doing, that is physical activity or related to physical activity game or related to physical changes. But the trend has been changed now. It was confused with physical training, play games, physical culture, health education, and recreation. There is a difference between health education and recreation. Recreation, I always ask a question in a class teaching this chapter. There is a difference in recreation and health education. Health education is directly related to your health, and recreational games are for a small time or a limited period of time. Suppose you are playing a badminton just beside your home, or there is not a proper field of badminton court, so that is not you are playing a badminton professionally game, but that is a time that you are recreating yourself and your fellow members, whatever a boy or a girl is playing. Sometimes we can see in cricket, sometimes we can see Indian games like gulli danda and various games. But as a matter of fact, it is more than these terms. Not a physical education is limited to these terms, but it is a very vast subject, vast in every aspects of our life. I always tell to the students, physical education is directly related to anatomy and physiology, physics, chemistry, and bio. All these subjects, in this we can directly find the physical education there. Second is meaning and definition of physical education. Hope you had understand the meaning. There is a background that I had given to you, what is physical education, a past history I had given to you. Now we are going to look upon the definition of physical education. What is the definition of physical education? There are many definitions, 9 or 10 definitions that describes about what is physical education, but I would like to quote only 2 of them, and that are, according to D. Oberkuffer, according to D. Oberkuffer, physical education is a sum of experience which come to the individual through movements. Sum of experience which come through movements, and these movements are further or later on we say that is physical activity. If you are walking fast or running fast, you are moving yourself, or doing physical hand exercise, you are rotating your arms, moving your arms, swinging your arms, is directly related to our movements. These movements later on become a physical exercise or physical activity. That is the first definition of D. Oberkuffer. That is the first definition. And second definition is, according to Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. I had already told the meaning of recreation. Physical education is education. It is the education through physical activities for development of total personality. Physical activity not only entertain you, make your body healthy, but it develop a total personality. Later on we will come to know what the things are added or what are added in development of our personality of a child to its fullness and perfection in a body, mind and spirit. Perfection in the body, in a physical body, mind and spirit. Many things are interrelated to these things. Hope you had understand the 2 definitions related to meaning and definition of physical education. In the light of above definition, it can be said that physical education is an internal part of general education, and it is essential for human being. For every individual, physical activity or physical education is very important. It is also merely a physical activity, but it is the education of body through body. Okay, body through body. A physical education finally it can be concluded that physical education not only helps in physical development but also help in mental, social and emotional. There are three things: mental, social and emotional development of an individual. In coming chapters, we are going to learn separately among all the three heads, that is mental, social and emotional. Now the second head is, or heading is, aims and objectives of physical education. Aims and objectives. Aims are different and objectives are different. There are two words, aims and objectives. Sometimes while writing answer, we mix them all and write in a common way. I always tell you, if a question is there, write aims and objectives. First write aim, then write objectives. First read aim, you will already clarify your question, then clarify aims, you will got your answer. The aim of physical education is wholesome development of an individual. This is the aim, and only one line is, in this particular one line, the aim of physical education has been explained. The aim of physical education is wholesome development of an individual. And what is the wholesome development? Development of your physical body, mind, mental, social and emotional development. All these make you a wholesome development of an individual. Or it can be said that the aim of physical education is complete living, in the fact that aim of physical education is apex point where seems to be outreach beyond what we think. That is physical education. So it is said that aim is one but objectives may be many. Always there is only one aim and objectives can be multiple, different. You can have various objectives of various physical activities or physical games directly related to your subject and whatever we are learning in this chapter. According to H. Clark, mention only three objectives of physical education. And what are three? First is physical fitness. Social efficiency. Third is culture. Physical fitness, you know. Social efficiency. We all are living in a society and we have a social gathering in our home related to our mother, father, brother, sister, nearby your friends. We are living in a community. And culture, we learn many things during when we are in a team. Sometimes we hate, there is aggression, there is a team spirit. This is a culture of a physical activity or sports. According to book Walter, also mentioned three objectives of physical education: health, worthy use of leisure time. That is very important. Nowadays it is very important to use of leisure time. And third is ethical character, the characters which we are following or we show to our neighborhood. Health is wealth. Everyone you know, without health there is nothing. You should have a proper health, and by knowing proper about physical education you can gain a good health. And third is Heather Ringston classified 5 objectives of physical education. First is immediate objectives. Second is remote objectives, development objectives, social standard objectives, objectives in a control of health conditions. Immediate physical fitness is immediate. Use of leisure time is immediate. Remote objectives, you can make your remote objectives, that is directly related to your health, that I will do certain work to make my health better and best. Developmental objectives, that you can develop yourself according to your age, according to your class, basically that is according to your age. Social standard objectives, it is very important to have a social standard in a term of physical education. I am telling you in a term of physical education because we all belong to a society, to a country. Objectives in a control of health condition. I would like to ask you a question, that in these days what are your objectives regarding physical education? What are your aims and objectives regarding to your personal health? As we are watching daily news, every day there are some talks that immune system, make your immune system best. It should not be weak to fight COVID-19. But gradually we are realizing that the importance of physical education, and it is important to realize the importance of physical education not in a situation like this, but to have a good physique, to have a good nation also. We should always remember that while if you have a good health, you will be strong, you will support many of, but you are weak, you will mentally weak also. There are many points related to objective of physical education, and first is physical development. As we know, physical development is very important. The foremost objective of physical education is physical development. That is the first aim and objective. In fact, leads to development for our organ systems such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system. These all are systems related to bio, and hope you had studied in class 10th and in lower classes about all these systems. Muscular system and digestive system. Physical education is related to a physical activity, and when we perform these activities, there are various effects of activities on our organ system. and one of them is respiratory system. While working hard, suddenly our respiratory system work fast and more. Suppose there is one example. If I told you to take a 2 round of football ground, gradually you see that your heartbeat is increasing and you are taking breathing heavily in and out. So that is directly related to your respiratory and circulatory system, circulation of our blood. These systems witness growth in size, shape and efficiency, capacity of doing work. Hence it can be stated that physical development is possible through this objective of physical education, physical development. In all our system remains in sound and healthy, they can perform their function in an efficient and better way. If one of them system is down, if our nervous system is down, we will be always suffering from many diseases and we are unable to do our work properly. Hope understand physical development. Second point is mental development. It is very important to understand mental development. The various physical activities of physical education programs need alertness of mind, deep concentration and calculated movements. For better mental development, various yogas are there and asanas are there. That is directly related to our physical activity. In this way, mental development takes place. Through we are able to understand the new situation that the faces in the games. Physical activity sharpen the mind, which is essential to perform various activities. Along these activities, physical education is also such as another educational subjects, anatomical and psychological studies, balanced diet, sanitation, health and disease, personal hygiene. These are all directly related to each other. For mental development, various games are there, various plannings are there, and even we have some better Indian games that increase the boosting level of our mind. For better understanding, go through this chapter. If you are unable to get some point, you can directly ask to me and read this and make a separate notebook of physical education. Whatever the work is given to you, do in time and complete in time. Hope you will do your best. As the classes will move, it will be faster and faster. It will take pace and you have to learn and write and do all the work in time.